Buying the wrong SUV can quietly turn into a financial disaster. Unexpected breakdowns, warning lights, and repair bills can drain thousands of dollars before you even finish paying for the vehicle. But some SUVs are built very differently. A small group of SUVs have built a reputation for running 200,000, even 300,000 miles with surprisingly few serious problems. Today we're counting down 10 SUVs known for extreme long-term reliability, the kind you can buy once and keep for years. And the SUV at number one is famous for lasting so long that many mechanics call it nearly indestructible. Let's start with number 10. 10. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is one of the most dependable three-row SUVs on the road, even though it rarely gets the spotlight. At the heart of the Pilot is Honda's well-known 3.5-liter V6 engine, a powertrain that has powered millions of vehicles across the Honda lineup. Long production runs allow engineers to refine every weakness, which is why mechanics trust this engine. Many Pilot owners report reaching 200,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. The Pilot is also built for real family life. Road trips, carpools, hauling sports equipment. It handles years of daily use without putting unusual stress on the drivetrain. But here's something interesting. Despite its reliability, many buyers skip the Pilot because it isn't the flashiest SUV in the showroom, which raises an important question. What happens when reliability meets excellent traction in harsh weather? That's where the next SUV stands out. 9. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has one of the most loyal owner communities in the SUV market. A big reason for that loyalty is Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent traction in snow, rain, and rough road conditions. Combined with Subaru's low-mounted boxer engine design, the Forester delivers both balance and durability. Many owners report their Foresters running well past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. However, there's one important detail drivers should know. Subaru engines require consistent oil changes and maintenance to stay healthy long-term. Owners who follow the maintenance schedule usually enjoy many years of reliable service. But durability in harsh weather is only part of the story. What if you want luxury comfort with the same reputation for reliability? The next SUV has dominated reliability charts for years. 8. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX has become one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever built. Lexus, the luxury division of Toyota, follows a simple philosophy: avoid unnecessary complexity. Instead of rushing new technology to market, Lexus refines proven engines and transmissions that have already demonstrated long-term durability. Because of this approach, many RX models easily reach 250,000 miles or more with proper care. Owners also appreciate the RX for its smooth ride and quiet cabin, which make long drives comfortable even after years of ownership. But here's something surprising. Luxury SUVs from many other brands often become very expensive to maintain once the warranty expires. The RX rarely has that reputation. And that leads to an interesting question. What happens when Toyota reliability is combined with serious off-road strength? Let's move to number 7. 7. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is widely considered one of the toughest SUVs ever built. Unlike most modern SUVs that use car-based construction, the 4Runner still uses body-on-frame engineering, similar to a pickup truck. This design provides exceptional durability for off-road driving and heavy use. Under the hood sits Toyota's proven 4.0-liter V6 engine, known for surviving extremely demanding conditions. Many owners report their 4Runners reaching 300,000 miles with surprisingly few major mechanical issues. But here's the interesting part. The reason the 4Runner lasts so long is actually very simple. Toyota updates it slowly. Instead of redesigning everything every few years, they refine the same reliable components over time. And that philosophy creates something rare in the automotive industry: true long-term durability. But you don't need a large off-road SUV to get that kind of reliability. The next vehicle proves that. 6. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has become one of the best-selling SUVs in the world. Reliability is a big reason why. Toyota engineered the RAV4 around efficient, proven engines and durable transmissions that have been refined over multiple generations. Hybrid versions of the RAV4 are also known for long-term dependability thanks to Toyota's well-tested hybrid battery technology. Many RAV4 owners report reaching 250,000 miles with routine maintenance and very few major repairs. But something interesting happens when reliability meets family-size practicality. Another Toyota SUV quietly becomes one of the longest-lasting vehicles on the road. Let's move to number 5. 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has built a strong reputation as one of the most dependable mid-size family SUVs. It combines Toyota's reliable engines with a comfortable interior and a smooth ride. Over the years, Toyota has refined the Highlander's powertrains to focus on durability rather than aggressive performance. Because of this balanced design, many Highlanders remain on the road for 250,000 miles or more. Families often choose the Highlander because it offers both practicality and long-term reliability. But there is one SUV on this list that is famous all over the world for surviving the harshest environments imaginable. And that brings us to number 4. 4. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is legendary for its durability. Across deserts, mountains, and remote regions around the world, the Land Cruiser has built a reputation for surviving where many vehicles fail. Toyota engineered the Land Cruiser with heavy-duty suspension, strong drivetrains, and extremely durable engines designed for extreme conditions. It's not unusual to see Land Cruisers with 300,000 or even 400,000 miles still operating reliably. But the Land Cruiser's biggest strength is its engineering philosophy. Every component is designed with long-term durability as the priority. Yet there's another SUV that quietly combines that rugged reliability with luxury comfort. 3. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is essentially a luxury version of one of Toyota's toughest off-road platforms. It combines rugged engineering with a premium interior, giving drivers both durability and comfort. The GX uses a powerful, naturally aspirated V8 engine that is known for long service life and dependable performance. Because of its truck-based platform, the GX is also capable of serious off-road driving. Many owners report their GX SUVs reaching 300,000 miles with consistent maintenance. But the GX is often overlooked because it doesn't chase the latest design trends. And that raises an interesting point. Sometimes the secret to reliability is simply keeping things simple, which brings us to number 2. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable compact SUVs ever built. Honda designed the CR-V with efficient 4-cylinder engines and smooth transmissions that prioritize durability over aggressive performance. Because of this approach, many CR-Vs continue running well past 250,000 miles. The CR-V may not be the most exciting SUV on the road, but reliability rarely needs to be exciting. It needs to be dependable. And that brings us to the SUV that many mechanics quietly consider one of the longest-lasting vehicles ever built. 1. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia takes the top spot for one simple reason: durability. The Sequoia shares engineering roots with Toyota's toughest trucks and uses powerful engines designed for heavy-duty use. These engines are known for running 300,000 miles or more when properly maintained. The Sequoia is also built with strong components capable of handling towing, long road trips, and years of demanding use. But here's the most important takeaway. Even the most reliable SUV still requires regular maintenance and responsible driving. Ignore those basics and any vehicle can fail early, but choose one of these SUVs and maintain it well, and you might own a vehicle that stays with you for hundreds of thousands of miles. In a time when many vehicles are designed to last just long enough to get past the warranty period, these SUVs prove something different: True reliability still exists. You just have to know where to look. Now I'm curious, if you had to pick one SUV to drive for the next 20 years, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy honest car insights like this, subscribe to Engine Insight. Because in the next video, we're revealing 10 SUVs mechanics say you should never buy used, even if the price looks tempting.